Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is makeup basket drawer time. Okay, so I have my little container here. Oh, this goes there. So let me see. I'm actually going to be taking out all my makeup and be doing a declutter soon. So let's see if there's anything I need to test out. Nope. All right, that's actually going to be harder now that I look at this drawer. But let's go ahead and get started. I have been trying to use this up. I want to use it up by Christmas. This is the e.l.f. Primer. Here is a Smashbox color correcting stick. This is in the color dark. It's orange, so it is orange. It color corrects my dark circles. Okay, I never use singles. Maybe I should. Oh, and these are those jelly ones. Should I? I mean, I'm literally going nowhere doing nothing. Let's start with the face first. The Kevyn Aucoin is what I use for my concealer, and it's in SX06. It's amazing. And I am trying to use up my Flower Beauty foundation in Natural Beige M1. I love this guy also. Bronzer. I've been using cream bronzer, but I think I'm going to use this. Even though I just took this out, I haven't really used this in like 3 weeks. This is from Bare Minerals, and it is Skinny Dip. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Oh, God, I do like this, but I never use it. Let me see. Okay, you know what? I am going to grab this Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. I'm going to grab this so I can use that up. And, ooh, my Glow Drops from Rhode Island. I'm grabbing these. That's why I haven't really been using a highlighter, because I mix this in with my foundation. A lot of the same products I'm using over and over again because I like them a lot, or I'm trying to finish them up. So kind of boring. Sorry guys. I think I'm going to grab this blush bouquet, garden bouquet from My Beauty Addiction. I love this blush. And I'm going to grab, I was using pink, I'm going to grab the other Flower Beauty cream blush in Nectar. So I'm going to grab these two guys from my blush. Okay, so I have blush, bronzer, highlighter. Basically I have all my face stuff. Eyeliner. Oh, you know what? I'm going to grab this lip liner. Okay, and I'm going to grab this, do I? No, I'm not going to grab that. I'm going to grab this NYX golden, this is like some kind of, what's the name of this guy? It's really, really nice. Oh, golden olive. It is a really nice liner. So I'm going to grab this for my eyes. Let's do lips since I keep going to lips. I'm grabbing this Duo Lip Pencil from Vincent Longo. I think I got this like in a boxy charm. It's just really nice, like a light nude and a darker nude. And I always have this Buxom that I'm trying to use in Pink Champagne over here as well. What should I use, guys? Okay, I am trying to use up this guy from Flower Beauty. It is the Mix and Matte Lip Duo, and I have it in Honey Nude, so I will grab that. And I'm like, to spice it up, I'll grab this, and it's exactly the same color. I have all the same colors. Can you tell? Oh, gosh, guys. What should I do? I use the same colors because they're good. I am actually going to grab this because this, I use this from Colored Raine. Is it Colored Raine or Colored Drain? Colored Raine in Mars as like a liquid lip. And then I can always put this over it. And is that it? I guess so. Guys, I can't stop using this Pure and Raw Beauty Christie palette. I haven't used the colorful side. I did a look with this, so I will link the look down below. It's just I copied Christie's look. I followed it along. And it's her everyday go-to look. It's amazing. You could probably do it in like 2 minutes. And it's literally 3 colors. I think it's just Copper Boxes, maybe You're Not My Real Dad, and Camelot. Oh, and this guy. And it's just beautiful. Like, I can't not use this palette. I'm so excited to have this little baby. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll do this and grab something out of here. I kind of want to use one of these. Wow, it's so clean. These are the L'Oreal Infallibles. I have Ice Latte and Bronze Taupe. So let's open this up. I wanted to see which one is different than this guy. You know what? I think I'm going to grab Bronzed Taupe. Yeah, because even though this is much lighter, much cooler than Golden Ticket, it kind of would give like the same look. Let's see what's on this. Oh yeah, and Cafe Disco is definitely much brighter. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Wow, I haven't used these in forever. I'm actually kind of excited. Did I grab everything? I do need a new mascara, but I'll change that out and you guys will see next time. Actually, I think... No, this has sparkle, right? Yeah, this has sparkle in it. I think I'm going to grab this powder from Serenity Scott in PF4 Dawn. And I'm going to start using this again because I use the Rhodial Glow Drops. My forehead and nose kind of get a little too dewy. So this will kind of just be to like spot powder. So that is what I'm doing there. Wow, such a simple drawer today. I don't know what to call it. And I also don't know where to put everything. Oh, there we go. I like to keep like the eye stuff together. So this is what I'm going to be wearing for the next couple weeks. I am thinking of trying to do these. I used to post these makeup selection videos like every Friday, and I'm definitely not wearing makeup as much as I used to. I don't have as much makeup as I used to. So it is pretty repetitive, especially with some of the products that I'm trying to use up. But I am thinking of trying to do this like every other week. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys would like to see this every other week. I'm trying to mix it up with get ready with me videos. You know, I'm probably, hopefully won't be doing any hauls anytime soon, but following along other YouTube tutorials, these makeup baskets, and then what I'm really interested in is decluttering, minimalism, you know, trying to simplify my life. I am by no means a minimalist, but my approach is more of like the realistic everyday person trying to go about the minimalist journey. So those are the videos you can kind of expect to see from me. So comment down below and let me know if that interests you and what kind of videos you would like to see, if you would like to see these makeup selection videos every other week. And then also regarding decluttering and minimalism and simplifying your life, list like 1 or 2 types of videos that you like watching or things that you need help with. So let me know, like, do you feel like you don't have time to do your makeup? Because I could do a let's get ready together in like under 5 minutes, minimalist beauty, you know, things like that. So let me know in the comments down below. I will be checking and responding over the next few days, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.